Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about an interesting problem that one of our viewers encountered while working with G++. It seems that there's a discrepancy in behavior between G++ versions 13 and 14 that caused some confusion. In the code provided, the viewer attempted to compile a program using G++ 14 on Windows, which went smoothly. However, when trying to compile the same code with G++ 13 on Linux, an error popped up stating that there was an invalid use of a non-static number function. Quite a problem, right? Now, let's delve into the solution that was uncovered. It turns out that the code worked on G++ 14 due to the implicit enabling of FMS extensions, mimicking some non-standard features from MSVC. To resolve this issue, passing fno ms extensions will disable this behavior. Surprisingly, even with std equals C++, pedantic errors, this feature wasn't disabled automatically. Quite the quirk, isn't it? In summary, we discussed a tricky problem with G++ versions 13 and 14, highlighting an unexpected behavior in the compiler. By understanding the nuances of FMS extensions and how to disable them, you can navigate around such issues in your own code. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of programming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite compiler quirk. Until next time, happy coding!